एक्ट्रेस दीपिका पादुकोण के इस बोल्ड और बिंदास अवतार को ऑडियंसेस ने खूब पसंद किया है, इसलिए ये फिल्म बॉक्स ऑफिस पर एक बड़ी हिट साबित हुई है। यही नहीं, क्रिटिक्स ने भी दीपिका के इस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए दिया है थम्स अप, और इस बात की खुशी दीपिका ने जाहिर की एक इवेंट पर।
क्योंकि हम सब हमेशा यही चाहते हैं, बट बॉक्स ऑफिस के साथ साथ हम हमेशा क्रिटिक्स का जो पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज आते हैं वो भी मैं हमेशा चाहती थी, और इस बार इस फिल्म के साथ मुझे दोनों मिला है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
वेल, क्रिटिक्स के लिए स्टार्स से कुछ ऐसा सुनना बहुत कम ही नसीब होता है। वैसे इस इवेंट पर दीपिका ने रिसेंटली हुई अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह कंट्रोवर्सी पर भी बात की।
आई थिंक जब भी हम जाते हैं, हम किसी प्रमोशन के लिए नहीं जाते, हम इसलिए जाते हैं क्योंकि हमें वहाँ पे चैन और सुकून मिलता है, पर अगर ऐसा कुछ रूल है तो इसके बारे में मैं नहीं जानती।
वेल दीपिका, ये आप भी जानती हैं कि कितना पब्लिसिटी होता है और कितना वर्शिप। मूविंग ऑन, इस इवेंट के बाद दीपिका ने जूम के साथ की एक्सक्लूसिव बात, जिसमें उन्होंने अपने पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में भी खुलकर बात की।
She's always been perfect. Perfect skin, perfect figure, perfect hair. So when this perfect person tells you what to do right and what to not to do, well, you know she's telling you the truth, right?
I hope so. That was an amazing introduction. Thank you.
You know, when you have a bad hair day, what is one thing that really works for you? When you have no time, you have to go out, you have to always look so pretty. What do?
I think fortunately for me, I've never really had a bad hair day. But if you do, I think it's about knowing what to do with it. You know, you can wear an interesting hairband, you can pin it up, you can clip it up. You know, you can oil your hair and maybe make it like a stylish, like a slick ponytail or something. So I think if you have a healthy lifestyle and you eat healthy, you should hopefully never have a bad hair day. And if you do occasionally, that's also fine. We all do. But then it's knowing how to work around that.
How often do you freak out now when you have a pimple erupting out?
Touch wood, I've never had bad skin, fortunately. I mean, I've worked hard for it. It's not, I mean, yes, of course, a little bit of it is hereditary, but I'm also someone who's always, you know, I eat healthy, I work out, so I guess it stems from that as well.
So you have been glowing more these days, not like you were any less pretty or anything before. But is singledom suiting you since you parted ways with Mr. Malia? I think you've become more confident and, I don't know, just more forthright.
I think I've always been a very confident person. But I guess the slightly extra glow now is probably due to the success of Cocktail more than anything else. And I mean, I'm someone who's always believed in being positive, always striving to do better and to work harder, and that has always been my drive and motivation.
And not singledom?
Of course, singledom, but yes, I think that also does give me a lot of time for myself. And yes, it helps me focus on my work, and that's what I've always wanted to do, and that's what I always wanted it to be. So it's glad when you work hard and then the results show. It's a nice feeling.
What do we look forward to, Deepika, more? You know, we have so many projects that we keep hearing about, but like Chennai Express, are you going to do it? Are you not going to do it? So tell us something.
So all that I'm working on right now is Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, which we have a lot of that shoot left. There's also Race 2 that I'm working on, and Kochadiyan, which is a film with Rajni sir.
She does give us a lot of positive energy, and always that. Thank you so much, Deepika, and all the best with your forthcoming projects. There you are, Deepika Padukone, Rudrayan Chatraj with Camden Hari, Zoom.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Add Zoom TV to your circle on Google Plus and get juicy bites of Bollywood entertainment round the clock.